Go.
Hi everybody, this is part 4, so come follow me.
Partida, the vloggeries. Introduce your friends, bro.
So, this is sister and pinsan. Cousin.
Take a selfie.
And this is the pool. Come show it.
This is what he's trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Take a photo, bro.
This is for kids.
Hi to the vlog. Masisikat na tayo!
Ma-reach na tayo.
Next, bro.
Come.
Come.
So, come.
This is the place of, this is the name of,
Sunset del Pilar.
yes.
And come. This is for kids swimming pool. And look at the view. Come show it.
You're gonna appreciate the view. Okay, end the vlog now.
And the vlog. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe
Subscribe and like.
and hit the notification bell.
And hit the notification bell.